Meet Zema Cross, the leading character for the series Chronicles of Zema. Don't let his appearance frighten you. Zema is a ladies' man, very soft-spoken, fun-loving, and loves to party with his friends. He also likes meeting new friends. This red-headed Rastaman is like an energy bunny, trust me. He enjoys physical activities, probably a little too much. Like the time he took his car climbing and literally pulled a 2-ton vehicle up a steep hill. That is not even the only time he impressed his audience. Zema is an 18-degree black belt holder. He is skilled in all forms of martial arts. Although he hardly displays it because of his immense power, there is hardly an opponent that can stand up to him. One punch from Zema at full force will leave a crater in the ground. Him practicing martial arts is a way to further control his powers. There was a time when Zema went diving and actually stayed submerged under 50 meters of water for 2 days. Please don't try this at home, kids. Zema is considered a professional and is more than skillfully qualified to complete these tasks and any tasks put before him. Zema is the leader of a team of Jamaican superheroes, all with unique abilities of their own. Chosen by the Helahim Council, them and others who will appear in the series over time are Chosens, a special being with celestial powers and abilities. I'm telling you, you can't miss any of these episodes. Whenever he meditates, he goes into a trance that allows him to communicate with Gaia, the spirit of the earth. In this state, he becomes weightless, and his body starts to levitate. If something is bothering Zema, his personality reveals it instantly. He is not the character to hide his feeling. Like the one time his girlfriend was kidnapped by his arch-rival and Zema had to Jamaican mode to get her back. Jamaican is his ultra ego when he changes into this guy. You think Zema is powerful before guess again. Check out the episodes, you would be glad you did. They are right here on YouTube. Courtney Cross 868, see you there.